Hi, I'm Josh Daly, hilarious host of America's goofiest game show, As the World Spins. The theme of today's show is Amazing Almanac Adventures, where you'll get a sneak peek at the new National Geographic Kids 2015 Almanac. That wacky, weird, wondrous, wanna-have bestseller crafted by the creative, clever, kid-friendly crew at Nat Geo. Okay, contestants and kids at home, are you ready to play? Our first category is amazing animals. Which one of these bizarre insects is real? The giraffe-necked weevil, the walking leaf, the spiny katydid, or the man-faced stink bug?
Ew! These can't be real.
None of them!
Guess what? These incredible creepy crawlies are all real. For real. Found right here on Earth. Learn about them and other amazing creatures in the 2015 Almanac. Now let's zoom into space. What cool celestial event is happening on September 28, 2015?
Starburst? Starbucks? Star Wars!
That's loony.
An eclipse? Totally!
You got it. Mark your calendars for September 28 to view a total lunar eclipse. The new almanac tells you what's happening up there and down here that you don't want to miss in the year ahead. It's time to make a culture connection. The ancient Greeks invented it, but Naples, Italy made it famous, and we're glad they did. What ingredient besides cheese is America's favorite pizza topping?
Cheese!
I said no cheese.
Onions?
Ew!
No onions?
Gross. Onions? No way! Is pizza?
Okay, I hear our home contestant. Yes, turns out pizza is most often topped with pepperoni. Although I prefer mine with mushrooms because I'm a fun guy. Fill up on more delicious pizza facts, including how to make your own, and connect with other cultures, countries, and celebrations around the globe, all in this amazing book. Well, today's game is over, but the fun is just beginning. Everybody's a winner with the 2015 Almanac, where you'll find all new games, jokes, and activities, plus phenomenal photos and facts on all your favorite topics: exploration, super science, freaky phenomena, ancient wonders, and more. Plus free digital extras like games, videos, and photo galleries. Thanks, contestants. Thanks, kids. Learn everything you always wanted to know about everything in the National Geographic Kids 2015 Almanac. Available now wherever books are sold.